Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. I hope everybody's not panicking too much. With all the Elon Musk tweets and the way he likes to play around with our emotions, I thought I would go ahead and make a video today. It's not my normal day to make a video, but I thought that I would go ahead and make a video and try to put some of the fears to rest out there. Today's video is going to be on Bitcoin and ETH. The altcoins are looking the same as Bitcoin. They're just going to follow what Bitcoin does. So as long as Bitcoin is still correcting the altcoins, most of them are going to follow Bitcoin. So in my prior videos, I always talk about the weekly time frame and how I don't want it to break this 50 because in the prior bull run, we never broke it. And also we never broke the 21 MA. I use MAs. I don't use SMAs and I don't use EMAs. I've always used just regular moving averages. I use the 21, the 50, the 100, and the 200. That is all I've ever used and pretty much all I'll ever use. So with that being said, yes, we never broke it in this prior bull run. And we did close a weekly candle underneath it. Does that mean that it is totally the end of Bitcoin? I don't think so. I don't think so at all. There's still plenty of time to recover here, and we have not broken any market structure yet that would make me worry. Now, with that said, with the weekly RSI here, we need to recover. We need to turn around here and come back up into this band. Of course, we don't want to see a rejection like this one and this one, but that's a ways away before that's even going to be considered. But what we need to do right now is turn this around and come back up into this band. Looking at this on long scale, it's got a rounded top. It doesn't look too pretty. Looking at it on linear, it doesn't look too pretty, okay? But let's take a look at some other things. And I'm going to move down to, let's see, the daily. Maybe we could see this better now. Let's go 3 days. There we go. Okay. From an Elliott Wave perspective, this is a perfect wave 1, wave 2. Wave 3 is at the top here. Whether it's here, wherever it is, it's right about there, okay? The wave 4 that we're looking for likes to come in to the prior wave 4, which is this wave 4 right here. As long as we stay above it and we don't break this order block right here, I'm not incredibly fearful. This blue line right here is the weekly 50 and it's coming right into the bottom of there. I've pulled a fib extension, and as you can see, we haven't even hit the 236 yet. A normal fourth wave will hit the 236, the 382, and I really don't want to see it come down to the 0.5 because it would break this structure. But as you can see, the 382 is coming in nicely to the bottom right there. On linear scale, the same thing. As you can see, it's a little bit different on linear, but even the 0.5 is not breaking this structure. So really, a fourth wave coming down into here is not the end of the world as long as we recover. We need to recover from it. So again, I'm not worried until we break this structure right here. We may not even make it down there. We're still on the top of it at this support. We haven't even broke through this support yet. So let's talk about what we're looking for. So as I said in my prior videos, I really think that this is I'm sorry, I was having some type of, right here is a W or an A. We had the B coming up or the X, and now we're making a wave down for our C or our Y. We've hit the 1-to-1. We have the 1.236 underneath us and the 1.382. As we're coming into this structure right here. So let's talk about what we need to look for on a lower time frame to tell us that this is the bottom. What we need to happen off the lower time frame here is we need a 5-wave move. Whether it rolls over here or not, we need a 5-wave move. So basically, what you look for is a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3 that comes up into the 1.618, which this one did, then a wave 4, but we need a wave 5 up to the 2.236, and that hasn't happened here yet. So this can be an A, a B, and a C, and we roll back over and break this. But every time it rolls back over and it breaks the bottom, again, that's what you're looking for. You need a 5-wave move, where the third wave comes to the past or to the 1.618, a fourth and a fifth up to the 2.236 or higher. Could this be it? Yes, it could be it. But we didn't quite reach here yet. So it's more looking like an ABC to me. We'll have to wait and see if it rolls over. But as soon as it breaks this bottom and makes another new low, you'll be looking for the same thing, a 5-wave move. 5-wave move tells you that it could possibly be the beginning of something. Either an A, B, C to the upside, or we're recovering and we're at the start of an impulse wave. Let's move on to ETH. ETH on the weekly time frame has not even broken into the 70 yet. This is still way up in bullish territory. Even though we have this ugly correction going on, we're still way up in bullish territory. And the bottom of this band is coming up into the 60 mark. So we would have to really break this and drag this band down with it for this to get ugly. If we start breaking our all-time high right here, and we come down into this prior fourth and break this red line and start breaking into this top over here, that's when I'll begin to get worried. As it stands right now, I'm not worried with ETH at all. Let's move down to a lower time frame. So right now, We've got this huge support here. We still have the 100 and the 200 underneath us. And we've wicked into the 1.382. I will not get worried until we start breaking this support here. We haven't even officially broken this support yet. Same thing with ETH. You will be looking for a 5-wave move. The 5-wave move, and this is a better example, needs to be a 1, a 2, a 3 that hits the 1.618, a 4 that does not come into wave 1, and then we need a 5th to the upside. At that point, if that happens, you wait for the pullback, and it's not financial advice, but that is what you're waiting for. At that point, you're either going to get an A and a B and a C to the upside, or you're going to get an impulse wave and we're out of here. So I hope that helped ease some of the fears that it's not as bad as it looks, and we still have plenty of room and support beneath us, and ETH does not look bad at all, and Bitcoin, again, recap, I don't want to see us break this structure. It would be nice if we didn't even come into it, that we stayed on top of it up here. We have the 1.236 and the 1.382. Those are my targets that I'm looking for. One of these. We start breaking them, I will get a little concerned, but I will not be totally panicking until we start hitting the bottom of here and we're not recovering. So let me know in the comments if this helped ease your mind, if this was easy to understand, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day.